In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the fastest ways to get deals if you're a brand new agent or if you're a seasoned agent, how you can get your next deal super quick. So strap in and stay tuned. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those that are new here, my name is Andrew Dunn, and over the last few years, I've helped sell billions in real estate for agents and brokers all over North America. And along with my partner, we actually sell homes in Boca Raton in Florida. And we've already helped over 100 agents cost $100,000 and up in GCI per year using our coaching program and our mentorship at our EXP organization. So if you're looking for coaching to scale your business using social strategies, or you'd like all our coaching for free and you're interested in joining us at EXP, then there is links in the description below where we can jump on the phone and have a chat. So in today's video, we're actually going to be breaking down the top ways that you can go out and close your next deal fast, whether you're a new or a seasoned agent. So the first and the most obvious one, and this is definitely for a newer agent, is contacting your sphere, your personal circle, and seeing if there are any deals to be had there, whether are friends, families, friends of friends, and relatives. So this is the most obvious one. It's the one that you've heard. It might even be the reason you got in because there was an easy layup deal there and you wanted to collect that 10K commission check from selling that property. Then that is the easiest way to get your first deals. However, I know there's a bunch of people that can't do that, but we had to hit that one first. So topic 2 is talking to FSBOs and expireds. Now, there's actually a person in our organization, our bigger organization, who did over 4,000 deals in their career. And it all started from this, and they just mastered the calling of FSBOs and expireds. So you can go out there and definitely do it. I know the market at the moment is a little bit crazy. I totally get that. But there is definitely owners out there who are still 100% convertible. And ultimately, if you've got a phone, you can call them and close deals from that. Absolutely. So number 3, again, more of an old school method, is open houses. The thing that I really love about open houses is your ability to network with other agents as well. So you're seeing all these visitors come in. It's always madness. Everyone we've done recently has just been absolute craziness. You also get a chance to network with a lot of people, and you also get a chance to really build a relationship. Therefore, you tend to be able to eke out more deals, we found. So open houses still work really well if you know how to pull off a good open house. And I'm telling you now, a good open house doesn't mean you have drinks and nibbles there. It's how you interact with the people that come in. So number 4, and I'm kind of going to throw this whole video on its head here, is do ads. Now, all the other methods that I've talked about, 1, they all work, and 2, they're all great. 3, they're all more traditional, old school. Like I said, we still love doing open houses, but we run ads to fill also open houses to make more deals happen. We had one deal recently, one open house recently. We got 5 deals from it. It was crazy, right? But we just want to run ads to get deals in tomorrow. There is a few different ways that you can do this. Absolutely. We are the masters of Facebook and Instagram. This is the way we know you can get leads tomorrow and you can be closing deals inside of a month, and your payout will be due in, say, 90, 120 days, depending on the leads. You do get some shorter ones, but I want to set the expectation that, Facebook ads do tend to have at least a 3-month run out to get paid on them because it's interruption marketing ultimately. But my favorite is number 4 because it's building leverage in your business. Obviously, the downside to it is you have to have money to spend. But if you've got $500 a month that you can put in, let's say $1,500 over 3 months, and you're working those leads, you will get sales out of, say, 200 to 300 leads that you'll get from that $1,500 for sure. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. It was 4 quick tips on getting your next deal. Obviously, I'm biased. Number 4 is my favorite. And if you're wanting to learn how to really shortcut that learning, then you can go ahead and check out our coaching. It's the link in the description below. And also, if you'd like all our coaching for free, you can join our Agent Maverick team at EXP. Then the link in that is below also. So also drop a comment down below. What did you like? What questions do you have? And make sure to smash that like button, subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.